At Premier Tech, we deliver efficient automated palletizing solutions, specially designed for cold and freezing environments. We understand that every business is unique, so we create turnkey solutions designed to boost operational efficiency by optimizing the number of pallets on the floor and improving working conditions. These solutions effortlessly handle a variety of products in different sizes and at varying production rates. Our systems integrate seamlessly with your ERP system, automatically refining the palletizing process using real-time production data. Each product is carefully monitored and guided to its optimal location, adapting to changing production rates and enabling product traceability. Simulation tools are also used to optimize workflow and layout configurations during the purchasing process. In the design phase, we pay attention to every detail, ensuring that the layout suits your production environment perfectly. With our expertise, you'll enjoy smooth circulation and seamless integration with fully automated guided vehicles. Operating the entire palletizing system is simplified, with the ability to control everything from one central location. With comprehensive operator training, your teams are empowered to efficiently operate your solution and keep up optimal performance. Contact Premier Tech today to improve your palletizing process